Hey there, future American caregivers. We know you're out there, dreaming of providing care in the land of opportunity, and you've probably heard whispers of this magical thing called the H1B Visa. Sounds like a golden ticket, right? Well, hold your horses, let's break it down. The H1B Visa is designed for highly skilled professionals. Think computer whizzes, engineers, those folks who speak fluent algorithm. The idea is to bring in talent that's in short supply. Companies have to prove they can't find an American worker to do the job. Then, and only then, can they even think about hiring someone from overseas on an H1B. Now here's the kicker. Most caregiving jobs just don't fit the specialty occupation bill. The H1B system wants fancy degrees and years of experience. While your compassion and dedication are invaluable, they don't usually tick those specific boxes. But hey, don't despair just yet. This doesn't mean your American dream is over. It just means we need to explore some alternative routes. Stick with us because we're about to dive into some options that might just surprise you. Okay, so we've established that the H1B visa isn't the easiest path for caregivers. But why is that? Well, the US government has a very specific definition of specialty occupation. They're looking for jobs that require a bachelor's degree or higher as the absolute minimum. Think doctors, lawyers, architects, you get the picture. Now, we all know that caregiving is incredibly skilled and demanding work. You're entrusted with the well-being of vulnerable individuals, and that's no small feat. But the current immigration system doesn't always recognize those skills in the same way it does a fancy degree. However, there are a few exceptions. If you're a registered nurse with advanced training, for example, you might have a shot at an H1B. The same goes for occupational therapists or physical therapists. These roles often require specialized knowledge and licensing, which aligns more closely with the H1B requirements. But for the vast majority of caregiver positions, we're going to have to get a little more creative. Don't worry, we've got your back. The next section will unpack some alternative visa options that could be a much better fit for your situation. Alright, so the H1B might be a long shot, but don't pack your bags just yet. The US immigration system is a complex beast, but there are other paths to explore. Let's talk about a couple of visas specifically designed for caregivers, the EB3 and the J1. First up, the EB3 visa. This one's for skilled workers, professionals, and wait for it. That's right, caregivers often fall under this other worker category. It requires a permanent job offer from a US employer who's willing to jump through some hoops, including proving they couldn't find an American worker. It's a process, but it can lead to a green card down the line. Next, we have the J1 visa, specifically the au pair or home healthcare aid programs. These are temporary cultural exchange programs that allow you to live and work in the US for a specific period. You gain valuable experience, improve your English, and get a taste of American life. Remember, each visa has its own set of requirements, limitations, and processing times. It's crucial to do your homework, understand the specifics of each option, and consult with an immigration attorney to figure out which path aligns best with your individual circumstances. Now, before you dive headfirst into the visa application process, let's talk about something crucial: avoiding scams. Sadly, the immigration system's complexity makes it a breeding ground for shady operators looking to exploit hopeful individuals like you. If an agency guarantees you an H1B visa for a caregiving job, run for the hills. Remember, no one can you a visa. The decision ultimately rests with US immigration authorities. Legitimate agencies will be upfront about this and will focus on helping you build a strong case, not making empty promises. Here are a few more red flags to watch out for. Upfront fees that seem too good to be true. Legitimate agencies will have transparent fee structures and won't pressure you into paying exorbitant amounts up front. Requests for payment into personal accounts. Always ensure payments are made to the agency's official account, not someone's personal one. Promises of easy green cards. There's no such thing as an easy green card. The process is complex and requires meticulous documentation and adherence to regulations. Remember, if something feels off, trust your gut. Do your research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away from any situation that seems suspicious. Okay, now that we've covered the warnings, let's focus on the right way to pursue your American caregiving dream. It's all about being informed, prepared, and proactive. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, boost your qualifications. While a bachelor's degree might not be mandatory for all caregiving roles, having one significantly increases your chances. Consider pursuing relevant certifications in areas like geriatric care, CPR, or first aid. Second, perfect your English. Strong English communication skills are essential for any caregiving role in the U.S. Take English classes, immerse yourself in English language media, and consider taking an official English proficiency exam like TOEFL or IELTS. Third, network like your life depends on it. Connect with other caregivers, both in your home country and in the U.S. Attend industry events, join online forums, and reach out to potential employers directly. Fourth, consult with an immigration attorney. This is non-negotiable. An experienced immigration attorney will guide you through the visa process, ensure your application is error-free, and advocate for your best interests. Finally, be patient and persistent. The U.S. immigration system is notoriously slow. Don't get discouraged by delays, stay organized, follow up on your application regularly, and be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. Let's talk about social media, shall we? It can be a fantastic tool for connecting with others, but it's also become a breeding ground for scammers targeting aspiring immigrants. You'll find them lurking in Facebook groups, Instagram DMs, and even LinkedIn comments, promising the world and delivering, well, not much. They prey on your hopes and dreams, dangling the easy visa carrot and making grand claims about guaranteed jobs and sky-high salaries. They might even show you fake testimonials from satisfied customers who magically got their visas overnight. Don't fall for it. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check information, verify sources, and be wary of anyone asking for money up front without a clear, legitimate contract. Your American dream is worth protecting, so stay vigilant and don't let these online predators dim your shine. Now, while the US might be the land of opportunity for some, it's not the only game in town. If the US visa process feels overwhelming or you're facing too many roadblocks, don't despair. Plenty of other countries are crying out for compassionate and skilled caregivers. Canada, for example, has a rapidly aging population and a welcoming immigration system. They offer various pathways for caregivers, including permanent residency options. Australia and New Zealand are also facing caregiver shortages and have programs in place to attract skilled workers from overseas. The UK, while currently facing its own set of immigration challenges, still offers opportunities for caregivers, especially those with specialized skills in elderly care or working with individuals with disabilities. Germany is another country experiencing a surge in demand for caregivers, with various initiatives to attract qualified professionals from abroad. Remember, exploring options beyond the US doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It simply means expanding your horizons and considering all possibilities. Navigating the world of international caregiving can feel like wandering through a maze blindfolded. That's where the power of mentorship comes in. Finding someone who's walked a similar path can make all the difference. Mentors are those experienced individuals who've been there, done that, and lived to tell the tale. They can offer invaluable insights, guidance, and support as you navigate the often overwhelming world of visa applications, job hunting, and cultural acclimatization. So, how do you find these wise owls of the caregiving world? Start by connecting with professional organizations, both in your home country and your desired destination. Attend industry events, join online forums, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire and ask for informational interviews. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Be respectful of your mentor's time, come prepared with specific questions, and be open to their advice even if it's not what you want to hear. A good mentor will be your cheerleader, your sounding board, and your guide on your journey to becoming a successful caregiver abroad.